In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a daily to-do list with Grok AI. If you've ever felt scattered or unsure where to start, this simple approach will help you organize your day quickly and clearly. First, open Grok AI. You can do this by visiting the official website in your browser or launching the app on your device. Give it a moment to load fully so everything's ready to go. Once you're in, open the chat interface. That's where you'll type your requests and see Grok's responses. If you're on the website, this will usually appear as a chat window or panel. In the app, it's the main screen you land on. Before we continue, a quick heads up. I've placed the official website link, along with the app download link, right at the top of the description to make this easy to follow. You can pause here, grab those links, and open Grok alongside me. Now, tell Grok what you want to accomplish today. Type your tasks, appointments or goals into the chat input box. Keep your entries clear and specific, like finish the budget draft, call the dentist, or 30 minutes of exercise. If timing matters, include deadlines or windows such as by 3 p.m. or after lunch. Avoid sharing any sensitive personal information, keep it to what's needed for planning. Next, ask Grok to turn that into a list. You can say, create a daily to-do list for these tasks, or make a structured daily checklist for my schedule. Grok will generate a clean, organized list based on what you've provided. Review the list carefully. Make sure all your important items are included and the priorities make sense for your day. If something looks off or you see a task missing, just point it out in the chat and clarify what you need emphasized. Finally, refine the list until it fits your style. You can ask Grok to reorder tasks by priority, group similar items, add time slots, or even simplify the wording so it's easier to scan. If you prefer time blocking, request start and end times. If you like momentum, ask for quick wins first. Keep adjusting until it matches the way you work best. That's how you can quickly create a daily to-do list using Grok AI. I hope this helps you start every day with clarity and confidence. Thanks for watching.